All right, y'all, good day. Super quick review here. 7-Eleven spicy chicken. It's what it looks like here, a little carton, and there's some chicken in there. It's supposed to be spicy fried chicken from 7-Eleven at the register, hot and ready to go. Let's check it out. Okay. Obviously a very processed chicken. Crispy crust. Tastes pretty good. The spice is kind of a slow burn. And the spice is on the back end. All in all, yeah, pretty good. I'll give it like a 7.5. I'll probably get it again one day. My reviews up. 7-Eleven fried chicken. Not too bad. Give the old Dodge store a run for its money.